Transit key?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's lock.
Okay.
That's unlock.
Yeah.
By default, it'll just unlock the driver's door. So 2 clicks.
Yeah.
Opens the passenger door as well. That's the boot. Really weird one. It's like 2 slow presses.
Right. Okay. And then it opens.
And then
yeah.
it'll open.
Cool.
Do not just open the boot.
Okay.
If
What
you
do you
want to
mean?
get something out of the boot,
Yeah.
unlock the car, then unlock the boot.
Right. Okay.
Otherwise, it'll set the alarm off. I've left you loads of like
yeah.
Valet Pro cloths.
Oh,
And
cheers,
shit
cheers,
around.
mate. Cheers.
So feel free to use. And
You had it cleaned recently as well.
I did indeed. So it's all ceramic coated, which is a pain in the arse because I tried to put some new stickers on and they will not stick. And,
Thank you very much.
Yeah, no
Thanks
problem.
I'll look after your pride and joy, I promise.
Yeah, enjoy it. Drive it. Enjoy it. Love it.
Yeah.
It's a 3rd gear at 40 miles an hour and just
Go for it. Smash it.
The response is
Yeah.
amazing. You got like half a tank of fuel in.
Okay, mate.
Try and keep it to like 99 or Shell.
Yeah. Very cool. Looking forward to giving this a good drive. Should be awesome. Stay tuned. Welcome to another episode of Charlie Drives, and you are joining me. Sun's right in my face. You're joining me in JayEmm on Cars, his Lotus Evora 400. He has kindly lent me this car for, as I said in the last video, he's kindly lent me this car for the next three or 4 weeks, and taking it for a long drive up to Newcastle this weekend. So yeah, it should be good. But stay tuned on the channels over the next few days that I'll be posting. Really going to give this car a run for its money to see how it compares to 911, general 911 ownership and experience, and living with the car and seeing how it can perform. Already, it feels very interesting. It feels incredibly interesting indeed to drive. I'm just getting used to everything in the car, getting used to the little quirks. Obviously, you know, making sure I'm comfortable, driving seat, mirrors, can see everything. Interesting sun visor. It's not very big, but yeah, it's cool. The experience so far is really good. It sounds fantastic. Listen to this. Hold on a sec. I'm stuck behind a lorry at the moment, so it's probably not the best time to demonstrate the sound, but it sounds pretty good. So that's cool. This car, James has actually taken the standard seats out of the standard Evora seats out of this. He's put these fixed buckets in, which are nice. Also has no seats in the rear, but looking at the space, it looks quite comparable to the 911. So that's good to know. I can tell. I can already say that the practicality is probably a little bit less than a 911, just because there's generally, I mean, there's a lot of space back there. So if you're not going to put children in the back, you will have space for quite a lot of luggage, although you probably wouldn't be able to get it in because of these fixed buckets. So that's one slight issue. And the rear boot space, I'll show you.
At the roundabout, take the first exit and stay on A1017.
Sorry, and the rear boot space is very small. But we'll look at it. We'll look at how it works and see how we can live with the car over the next few weeks. But yeah, generally it feels very good to drive. It's very planted. It's very similar to it feels similar to the Porsche in terms of size and stance and everything. It is a lot more extravagant. It's definitely more extravagant than the Porsche is.
Exit the roundabout onto A1017.
It sounds
Continue on
freaking
A1017 for 3/4 of a mile.
So that is cool. That is cool. The fuck are you doing? I'm stuck behind the slowest ever fucking Toyota driver in the world.
Exit the roundabout onto A1017. In 1/4 of a mile, at the roundabout, take the second exit and stay on A1017.
There's some sounds, definitely some sounds coming from it. steering is fantastic. You can feel every single little bit of the road, even the little bumps. You can get all that feedback through the steering wheel. This is really awesome, really, really good. There's hardly any rear visibility, so you can get a tiny amount of rear visibility. If I compare this to the 911, you get a massive window at the back, you can see loads, but this you can't see. You can't see a lot. You cannot see much. Big mirrors, massive mirrors on this car, probably to make up for the fact that you can't see a thing outside these. A lot of the even sort of there, the rear sort of quarter I can't see much out of either. So the mirrors are probably the size that they are to make up for that. The mirrors look a little bit like they're from like a 4x4 or something. They look like they're like from an Isuzu, which is a bit funny. It doesn't give you that supercar vibe when you look in the mirrors, although you get the nice sort of engine intake scoops, which does look pretty cool. And of course, James's car, yellow, really bright yellow, which is definitely a hit with me. I love the colour, pretty awesome. So yeah, first impressions so far, really, really good. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Keep an eye out on the future videos. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can see all of the additional videos on the Lotus Evora 400. Currently, I probably look like a complete idiot because the sun's like in my face. So, and I can't really see what I'm doing. So, definitely watch the next video, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks very much for watching. See you later. Bye.